Mathematics chapter number 3rd, linear equations in two variables, class 10th, exercise 3.2. Here we'll discuss the linear equations problems, okay, and we will find the solution for the linear equation using graphical method. How we will find the solution? You just remember, if we have two linear equations and this one is first, this one is second, and these linear equations are intersecting each other, so intersect point will be our solution. This one is point P and this point will be our solution. Okay, so just remember this point. We'll use this for finding our solution. Clear? Let's see. Question number first. From the pair of linear equation in the following problems and find their solution graphically. First one. 10 students of class 10 took part in mathematics quiz. If the number of girls is 4 more than the number of boys, find the number of boys and girls who took part in the quiz. Okay, this one is the first numerical. Let's see the solution, how to solve this equation. First, we have given that total number of students took part in the mathematics quiz is 10. Okay, so let we assume that number of girls are X and boys are Y. So total students who took part in the quiz will be X plus Y equals to 10. Clear? Now second condition is the number of girls is 4 more than the number of boys. Okay, so X minus Y will be equals to 4 because girls are more than the boys and it's given the condition in the numerical. Clear? So we'll get here two equations. We'll solve this equation graphically. As you can see the conditions, first condition is X plus Y equals to 10. This one is the first condition, and second one is X minus Y equals to 4. Clear? So we have two equations here. So from the first equation, X plus Y equals to 10, we can find the value of X. X equals to 10 minus Y. Clear? Now randomly we'll put the values of Y here. So first we'll put Y equals to 5, we'll get X equals to 5. Clear? Now again when we'll put Y equals to 6, we'll get X equals to 4. Again when we'll put here Y equals to 4, we'll get X equals to 6, and so on. Clear? From the second equation, X minus Y equals to 4. Again we can find the value of X. X equals to 4 plus Y. Now again we'll replace some random values of Y. First Y equals to 1, then we'll get X equals to 5. When we replace Y equals to 0, we'll get X equals to 4. And again when we'll replace Y equals to minus 1, we'll get X equals to 3. Clear? So after replacing the values, we got two tables. First for the equation number first, and second one is for equation number 2. Clear? Now we will represent these two tables or these two equations, this one and this one, in graph. So we have some points from the equation number first, which are 4, 6, 5, 5 and 6, 4. And from the equation number second, we have 5, 1, 4, 0 and last one is 3 comma minus 1. Now plotting these points, these and these, on the graph paper we'll get two lines. First one is this one and second one is this one. Okay, now these lines intersect each other at point 7 comma 3. So intersect point 7 comma 3, this one is the 7 comma 3. Intersect point will be our solution. Clear? So our solution is x comma y is equals to 7 comma 3. That means number of girls will be 7, x will be equals to 7, and number of boys will be equals to 3. Clear? So this one will be the solution.